With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is drones of apis are, and the options are sterile males, sterile female or fertile females. So apis, the common name for apis is honeybee, right? And when we talk about the colony of honeybee, then in one colony there is one queen bee. There is one queen bee of the colony which is functional, right? Then next we have few hundred drones. Few hundred drones, they represent the male insect. These drones represent the male insect. Now the features of these drones is that they don't have stings. There are no stings in these male insects, and they don't work as well. Don't work means that they do not collect any nectar. Do not collect nectar, right? And in the colony there are also several thousand worker bees. Worker bees are also present, and these worker bees, they are sterile females. They represent sterile females, right? And they work, that is, they work for the collection of nectar. Their job is to collect the nectar. Now this queen bee, it is functional. That means it is fertile. And the role of male insect or the drone is to mate with this queen bee, right? These drones, they only have a role in mating with queen bee. So we can say that the male insect or the apis drone, they are fertile male, right? They represent fertile male. So our correct option would be option B. They are fertile males.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.